Hi boys and girls, we're going to continue our conversation about transportation. We learned about a ship and we learned about how a ship travels. It's going to float on the water. That's how it's going to travel. It doesn't have a road. The captain's going to choose where it gets to go. Today we're going to talk about where it will be located. So a ship or a boat is going to be on the ocean, or you might find it in a river or a lake. And when it's docked, you would find it in a harbor. So a harbor can be man-made, which means that they put up some rocks around the outside of a space that's on the shore. So let's pretend right here is the land, and then they build up with the rocks, and so that makes all the water in here really calm and safe for our ships and boats. So a harbor is one place that it might be located. So let me write to harbor, and it's H-A-R-B-O-R. So a harbor. So the space inside is called the harbor. It might be on a dock or at a slip. Remember, we talked about a slip is this piece right here. You go inside. Right here it makes a U around the ship. So right here, and then we can write on this one, we can write dock. D-O-C-K. So it might be on a dock, and this gives us a place to walk and a place to tie up the ship. And then one of the things that's going to be attached to the dock and go onto the ship, and this is for the passengers so that they can get from here to there and get off the ship or boat, but also so if you're carrying freight, you have a way to get there. So this is made for a ship or boat that is for passengers, but there's going to be really large ones that are going to help get freight off of freight liners. But this is called a gangplank. G-A-N-G-P-L-A-N-K. So the passengers are going to get on the ship and off the ship on the gangplank. And the really great thing about this is the water goes up and down a little bit, because that's what happens with our tides. And this right here, it will roll up and down on the dock so that the people can stay safe and they don't have to jump. So a ship will float on the water. Your turn. A ship can be found in a harbor. Your turn. A ship can be found in the harbor. A ship can be found at the dock. Your turn. A ship can be found at the dock. And I added gangplank because I thought you might be curious about how you get on and off of those big ships. So that's all I have for you today. I look forward to seeing you next time.